Hi there, my name's Ian Pace and welcome to my channel, Pace Creates. This is my second video based upon the second model that I made, the lady robot, which went reasonably well, as you will see in the following video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. I'm starting off with the insides of a couple of car wheel bearings to use for the head and a couple of complete ones for the body. Next I'm going to use a nut for the neck and a washer for the head to sit on, as the hole in the head bearing is too large for the nut. Now looking at the body, I feel it's too short, so I'm going to add another wheel bearing. Piece of bicycle chain for the arms. I don't like the straight position of the head, so I'm going to give it a little bit of tilt just to give it some character. Now a couple of washers for the eyes. I decided that the position of the eyes just didn't look right, so I'm going to move those further down. I just want to find something that I can use to make a hat for the robot now. spark plug for the rest of the hat maybe. No, I don't like that. This little motor on the other hand, I do like the look of that. It fits nicely in the top of this gear nut. Now I've got this angled gear, would look perfect as a ballerina style skirt for this lady robot. Now a couple of spark plugs for the legs. Going to give it a bum just so that it sits level and doesn't fall over. Couple of different size nuts to make some shoes with. So there we have the lady robot, my second project. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please subscribe, there'll be more to come. Any comments, please leave below. Thank you.